Yes, very good morning, dear students. Students, today we are going to understand the poem The Dark, written by James Carter. Okay, students, first of all, let's understand few word meanings. First is sweeties. Sweeties means sweets. Second is for a laugh, for a joke. Here it means for a joke that is not intended to cause serious harm or damage. That means uh, just for fun, not to harm anyone. Okay, for a lark means just for fun. Privacy, a state in which one is not disturbed by other people. A state in which the time when nobody disturbed you. Okay, beastly means unpleasant. Unpleasant means the thing that makes you sad. Okay, then creak, shriek. The poet creates a creepy effect by spelling the words this way. These words are used just to create effect in the poem. Okay. Then cozy. Cozy means the simple word that you can use for this. Comfortable. That which makes you feel comfortable and relaxed. Loft. A space at the top of a building under the roof used for storing things. A space at the top of a building under the roof. Suppose this is a roof, that is the space under the roof, and this space is used for storing things, to store things. Okay, again, a space at the top of a building under the roof. This is roof, and this is the space under the roof, which is used for storing things. That is called loft. Then last one is lurking, waiting and moving in a secret way. Okay, move secretly, lurking. Yes, dear students, the dark, very simple word, but the poem is very interesting. Darkness, that is the time after the sunset. Children, what comes to your mind when you first listen the word dark? What comes to your mind? Someone feels scared, afraid. Okay, but in this poem, you will learn something good about dark also. Okay. Most of us afraid of the darkness, scared of the darkness, but in this poem, we will learn something good also about dark. Okay. So be attentive. Why are we so afraid of the dark? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark or chase old ladies around the park or steal your sweeties for a lark. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep. It cannot help but be around when beastly things make beastly sounds, when back doors slam and windows creak, when cats have fights and voices shriek. The dark is cozy, still and calm, and never does you any harm. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. Deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark afraid of light. Yes, I'm going to explain the first paragraph. Listen very carefully. Why are we so afraid of the dark? Poet is asking, why are we scared of darkness? I have to discuss with you earlier also that most of us afraid of the dark. It doesn't bite and doesn't bark. The poet is saying that the dark, it uh, he's explaining that the darkness never bite anyone and it doesn't bark, bark like a dog. It doesn't bark at anyone, it doesn't bite anyone, it doesn't bark at anyone or chase old ladies round the park. It never chase, it never follow old ladies, old women around the park or steal your sweeties for a laugh. It never steal your sweets, means never take your sweets for a fun. For a lark means just for fun, not to harm anyone. Okay? Not to hurt anybody, but for fun. Again, I am repeating the same paragraph. Why are we so afraid of the dark? The poet asked, why are we afraid? Why are we scared of dark? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark. The poet is saying that it doesn't bite anyone and it doesn't bark at anyone or chase old ladies round the park. Again, the poet is saying that the darkness never chase any, never follow any old lady around the park or steal your sweeties for a laugh. Darkness never steal, never take away your sweets just for fun, even just for fun. Okay, then why are we so scared of the darkness? It never hurts us. Then why are we afraid of the darkness? Second paragraph. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep. Although it might not let you see, during the night time when darkness is there, you can't see anything. You can't see anything in the darkness. Darkness gives us privacy. Okay, it lets you have some privacy means darkness gives you privacy means a state in which nobody disturbs you. At that time, nobody disturbs you and gives you time to go to sleep. Darkness gives you time to go to sleep. At night time, usually we go to sleep. Okay. At that time, there is no darkness when you sleep. Provides a place to hide or weep. Darkness provides you place to hide yourself. At night, you can easily hide yourself at anywhere. At that time, you can weep without showing your tears to anybody in a secret place. Okay, again, this paragraph. And though it might not let you see, darkness not allowed you to see anyone, you cannot see anything during the dark time. It lets you have some privacy. Darkness gives us privacy. Privacy, I have told you earlier, also means a state in which nobody disturbs you. Okay? Nobody came to disturb you. and gives you time to go to sleep. Darkness gives you time to sleep. That means at that time there is, when you sleep at night, at that time there is darkness all around. During the daytime, bright place is not suitable for sleeping, I think. During the daytime, there is brightness all around, and that time is not suitable for sleeping. Which is the suitable time for sleeping? Night time, darkness. Provides a place to hide or weep. Darkness also provide you a place where you can hide yourself. Okay, at that time, means at the time of darkness, you can weep without showing your tears. You can weep in a secret place. Third, it cannot help but be around when beastly things make beastly sounds, when back doors slam and windows creak, when cats have fights and voices shriek. It cannot help but be around. Means it cannot help you when you hear unhappy sounds. Beastly sounds means the sounds that makes you sad. Darkness cannot help you at that time when you hear unhappy sounds, means the sounds that make you sad, but it always be with you, it always around you. It means darkness. When back door slam, when back door of the house make a noise, when you shut that door forcefully, when a window, when the windows creak, means when the windows vibrate, when cats have fights and voices shriek, when cats fight and produce different sounds at highest level, in high sounds they make noise. When all this happen, darkness always be there around you. It cannot help you, but always be there around. In which situations? It cannot help you but be around when beastly things. First situation, when the unhappy things happen around you, when you hear the unhappy sounds, when back door slams, when someone uh, shut the door forcefully, when windows shriek, when windows make a noise, when cats fight at night and in loud voice. In all these situations, darkness cannot help you, but it always around you. That means all these things happen at night. Next, fourth paragraph. The dark is cozy, still, and calm, and never does you any harm. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. The dark is cozy, means darkness makes you comfortable, makes you relax. There is calmness all around at that time. During the night time, you feel comfortable, and there is still, means there is calmness, there is quietness all around, and never does you any harm. Darkness never hurts you, never harms you. In the loft below the sink, loft is a place below the roof. That place is normally used for storing things. Okay, below the sink, and another place below the sink. Sink, in the kitchen everybody has sinks for the washing of dishes. That place is called sink. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. There is normally darkness in both places. Light cannot enter that places easily. Okay, that's why these places are calm, these places are quiet. Next paragraph. Deep in cupboards, pockets too. It's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark, afraid of light. Deep in cupboards. Cupboards means almiras. Where you find darkness? When you open any cupboard, any almira, you find there darkness. In pockets also. It's always lurking out of view. That is a secret place. Okay, here the darkness moves secretly. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark is afraid of light. Why is there darkness in that secret place? The poet is saying that I think that the darkness is afraid of light. Okay, deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Why this darkness come at night? Why not during the day? Perhaps the poet is saying, perhaps I think the dark is afraid of light. That's why that darkness came at night. Yes, dear students, that's all about this poem. Very simple poem, you can see. If you have any doubt, now you can raise your hands. Otherwise, I'll discuss question answers. Only 3-4 question answers are there. Preeta ma'am, please unmute all the students. Excuse me, Preeta ma'am. Students, wait for 1 minute. Yes, it might not let you see. During the night time, you can't easily see anything. You can't see anything in the darkness. Sometimes it's very difficult to see far away. But during the day, we can see everything clearly. It lets you have some privacy. At that time, you have privacy. No friend will come to disturb at that time. Okay. And gives you time to go to sleep. At that time, means during the night time, at the night time, you go to sleep. That means you sleep at night. At that time, there is darkness all around. But the poet the poet wants to say that that is the perfect time for sleeping, darkness, because during the bright day, it is he thinks that bright places is not suitable. Bright places are not suitable. Bright time is not suitable for sleeping. When we sleep, we all sleep at night. That's why this is the perfect time. provides a place to hide or weep. Night darkness also provides you a place to hide yourself. You can easily hide yourself during the dark time or weep when you want to weep in a secret place. Darkness is the best time for that. You can weep at that time in a secret place without showing your tears to anybody. Okay? Yes? Is this clear, Nilesh? Is this clear, Nilesh? Or any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No,
If you have any doubt, I can explain you again also.
no, ma'am.
But doubt should not be there. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Okay,
Anyone
ma'am.
else?